Biodigester construction for estate houses, proof of concept. Constructing biodigesters for real estate houses right here in Ghana. This is my company, Dream House Biodigesters. And this is our work. We will term it as proof of work, proof of concept that biodigesters are working, and they do work for those who are interested in using them as option in managing their dream houses. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my typical cases of how biodigesters are helping manage solid waste in high-end houses, apartments, luxurious high-end apartments right here in Accra. Let's get into the video now. So I did 2 biodigesters for this place. There's one that has been buried here. This one, as you can see. And then the soakaway is here. This is the soakaway. There's also another digester here. Another digester here, which is completely buried. You can't see. So that one was left here. And this is the reservoir. Basically, this is the compound. And of course, that building over there, this is the first property we ever did our biodigesters for here. You can see the biodigester is here, buried completely, just with an access point. And then the soakaway is also here. Soakaway is here. So this is the Swami India Ghana Oyarifa Serenity Estate, and I have been contracted together with my team to be doing the biodigesters on this estate. They are looking at over 50 buildings, including 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, and 5-bedroom self-contained houses. Basically, you in biodigester construction will have to know the kind of property you are dealing with. If you are dealing with a property that there are specific understanding and agreements and terms that you have reached, and they show you the design of the house and the plan and how they are building their property, you must go along that line. In this case, particularly, I'm talking about, we were told that the biodigesters are going to be buried. They are going to be completely buried. You are not going to see anything. Only the inspection chamber, which is a clean out, that's what will be on top that you will see for the biodigester and for the soakaway as well. So your work is to make sure, 1, your soakaway works well, your biodigester is in perfect condition. Luckily, 2 toilets are the only ones that are taking 1 biodigester. So that gives you enough time and enough room for biodegradation to work, for everything to just be very good for you. So in biodigester construction, these are some of the things that you look out for. What we do and what we say must match. We are not constructing biodigesters because we think that is the best option. It just happens to be one of the best options when it comes to homeowners looking for means of managing their solid waste.